Okay, all right everyone, welcome back again. Okay, how to sound full using the diminished chord, diminished seventh actually. So we are going to do that on the key of F. So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so your diminished triad on F is F, the flat chord, which is A flat, and then flat 5, which is B. So this is your diminished triad. You see? Now the seventh, the diminished seventh now will be F, A flat, B, and D. Now this is the seventh on F. So diminished seventh, you are stepping it down 2 times. So this is it. So this is diminished seventh. So and you have 4 inversions to this. So the next one will be A flat diminished seventh, the next one will be B diminished seventh, the next one will be D diminished seventh, and the next one will be your root position. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. You have 3 inversions, 3 inversions to this. Okay. Okay, so how to sound full using your diminished chord. On your 6, this is the 6th on F. You can play your diminished chord on the 5th. Can you see? Your diminished 7th on the 6th, which is on the 5th, which is C, D, E flat, G flat, and A. Can you hear this? Okay, now thank you. Now on my third, this is the third note. I'm going to play the 7th chord also, diminished 7th on the 4th chord, which is B flat. Can you see this? Now, third. Can you see this now? This is the third note. Now, if you are going from the 3rd to the 6th, which is Mi. Of course, from here, sometimes you go back to your 2nd. So, then your 3rd, your 2nd can remain the same, which is 3, 6, 2, down, 5, 4. This 5 also can play the diminished 7th chord on the 4th. Then resolve back to your 1 as major 9. So, how great is our God? Sing with me, how great. Oh, this song is not staying on the 6th. So a song that is not staying on the 6th, you can use it. This how great is our God is staying on the 6th, so you can't stay on it. So a song that is going from the 6th to the 2nd, you use it as a passing chord. So this is major 9 here. Resolve it to major 7th or major 9. When you use something like this, always resolve it to the 7th chord or major 9. The 7th is still there. So let's take it again. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so a song that is not staying on the 6th and on the 3rd, you can apply it. If you are just moving like a passing chord, like your progression on 3, 6, 2, so you can move like that. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay, that is it. All right. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.